Hello guys, hello from Slovenia, CEO of Space and Project, Igor Šinkovec here. So, today I want to congratulate one big leader for his achievement. So, Mr. Noor Mohammed, big congratulations for achieving new rank, regional ambassador at our Space and Project. You are a big leader in big community, and I really want to congratulate you because you did something incredible. In a short amount of time, you achieved this fantastic rank, 250 nodes plus sold. So, Mr. Noor, you are a big leader of Rohingya community, KSA team. So all of you, congratulations from my side and from Slovenia and from our core team, Space and Project. I wish you all a big success in our future, which is very bright. You know why? Our supernode generators are actually fantastic NFTs generating money, generating our SpaceM token every day. And we are live on multiple exchanges. We are live till January this year, and I'm so proud what we are building. We are building something very, very solid and very strong. And you will see when our debit cards came, and you will see when our tokenization will come in the next month. This will be crazy, my friends. This will be super excited, like I am. So, Mr. Noor, this goes to you, to your community, to your team. All the best from my side, and congratulations again. All the best, and see you on the other side when a big success will come. Now is just a start. All the best from Slovenia, CEO Igor. Bye-bye.